Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the dressing patterns of Gilgit-Baltistan. Balti culture is the culture of Tibetan people of Gilgit-Baltistan, and we find a lot of variation in the dressing patterns over there. However, we are going to talk about their traditional dressing patterns. Men generally dress in woolen stuff of homemade or home manufactured clothing, and their garments being the coat, which is called the anga, trouser, pajama, of the dark, thick cloth cap, which is topi, and the long frock coat, which is baku. Women, on the other hand, they consist their dressing consists of pajama and a lady's gown, which is kameez like Punjabi kurta, is worn as the undercloth. A sash is worn around the waist over the gown. The lining on the gown is sometimes embroidered along with the margins. A headgear which goes 1 to 1 and half yard down the back, and with the face with which the face can be covered. In the winter, sometimes the women particularly, they wear thick shawl like woolen chadars. Traditional kameez is loose fitted and heeled the long side. The collar of the kameez are usually very high because of the very particular regional style. For the bridal dresses, the colorful embroidered bands are stitched around the collars and the lower end of the shirt and the sleeves as well. The dupatta or shawl is the integral part of the traditional female dresses. Different color dupattas are used. For the young ladies, especially, they wear the dupattas of very bright colors, while the elder ladies prefer the light or the dark colors. The traditional shalwar of Gilgit-Baltistan is very similar to the Turkish shalwar if we talk about the men, and it is loose, long, baggy trouser, but narrow and fitted around the ankles. Traditional silk, cotton, and velvet fabrics are used. Men do wear traditional cap, which is a soft round topped woolen hat, and various types of caps are used. The most popular cap is the beautiful embroidered Iraqi cap, which is the traditional piece of jewel called silsila. Here you can find the few glimpses of typical traditional Gilgit-Baltistan dressing patterns. On the left side, you find the traditional hat, and then you find the typical shalwar kameez along with the cap.